Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today what we're going to be reviewing is Best in Varieties pink leggings. Let's go ahead and check it out. So first and foremost, at the very top, there is a nice band, thick band that's super stretchy, and there's long ridges on the side. Over here on the leg portion, there's some different stripes on the upper thigh, and then all the way down is just pink. And it's the same on the front as well as the back. The fabric is nice and thick and super stretchy, which is really nice. Over here you can see what it's made of. That's why I got a larger size medium instead of small. And it's made out of 10% polyester, 10% spandex, and 80% nylon. These are considered compression leggings. So usually with compression leggings, you want to get a size up so it doesn't like compress you a little bit too much. So let me go ahead and try these on. So here are the leggings. You can see that the stripes are over here on both sides. Okay, here you go. You can see the stripes. It kind of goes lighter here and then kind of darker all the way down. Goes all the way up here. Hugs you nice and tight in the midsection over here. And they're super compression, so super duper stretchy. I'm glad I got a size larger because they really do like compress you. so yeah, here is the Best in Varieties leggings. Woo!